What's good, YouTube? So today I'll be installing this cool, crazy dual dash cam that I picked up on Amazon for about $100. It had some pretty good reviews, so let's install this and see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'll just do a quick unboxing here. It is a 4K Ultra HD camera, works with 5G Wi-Fi, it's app controlled, and it has a GPS tracker. So here you'll have the instructions. You'll have the front camera. Looks pretty good. You'll have the front camera mount with the GPS tracker on it. And in here, you'll have the wire to connect the rear camera to the front camera. And the rear camera. And then this is your power supply for the 12-volt outlet in your car. So I won't be using this to power up the camera. What I did was I picked up this power adapter from Amazon that connects to your power rear view mirrors, and it gives you a USB output to plug right into the camera. But this only works if you have a powered rear view mirror. So this power adapter is just all plug and play. Just unplug the power mirror connector, plug the adapter in, then plug your connector into the adapter, and now you have your USB output to plug your camera in. So I'll try to hide my camera as much as possible behind the rear view mirror. So kind of like that. Yep. So I finally hook up the power to the USB output, and we have power. I just have to connect the rear camera. I'll try and tuck the wire on the headliner right here. So let's get to that. I just popped these out. There was just a few clips holding them in place. And this where the rain sensor is at. And now I'll just try to snake this wire through there. And then kind of tuck everything up in the headliner. Alright, so I was able to snake the rear camera wire all the way to the back. I snuck it up the headliner and all the way back there, and that's the rear camera right there. Came out good. Alright guys, so this is the camera fully hooked up. As you can see, I have everything tucked away, and I have both cameras displaying. Also, there's 5 buttons at the bottom. The first one, you can switch between cameras. You can have just the front camera displaying, the rear camera, or you can have both. And then there's another button right here. The second one, you can lag the footage. The third one is the power button. The fourth one is a video playback. And then you have a settings button. Also, you can connect your camera through the app to view all the footages and mess with the settings and stuff. If you guys want me to do an in-depth video with the settings and the app and all that, I can do a separate video, but I will leave footage at the end of this video to show you guys what it looks like during the day and during the night. But overall, it's pretty clean. The recording is good. I haven't had any issues with it, and it's constantly recording.